Okay, so to find the line of reflection with a compass, we are going to start with one of the points that are pretty close to each other just because we don't have enough room to go and get these larger points out. Our circle will be on the outside. So I'm going to start with my compass tool. I'm going to click on B and then double click on B prime. It gives me my first circle. Then I'm going to go to B prime and then double click on B. So now I have my two circles where they've intersected. I've measured the distance between the 2 points, this line segment. And now I'm going to use my intersect tool to find the intersection of these two circles, which I have H and I. And now I'm going to put a line through them. So when I put a line through it, it finds the halfway point between B and B prime. So this line in the middle is the halfway point or the midpoint. And it also gives me my line of reflection. So if I were to measure from B to the line, it would be equal to the line to B prime. Same with any other point, C to the line or C to the C prime, it would be the same distance. Also, just a quick note, remember our first shape and our second shape are the exact same thing. They are congruent, which means it preserved the distance. So the length from B to C and B prime and C prime is the same, and all the angle measurements are also all the same. So all the side lengths and all the angles. So preserved distance, it is a rigid transformation. All right, guys. You can also check another point and do it again. You will get the same location because it is the line of reflection does not move. Everything will be at the same spot. So if you want to check your work, just do it again with a different point and it should line up. All right.